get more video, please subscribe the channel. Student, today we discuss about the practice set 2.5. The next question. The question number 4 is for the quadratic equation from the roots given below. The first one is 0 and 4. Mean that in this solution, here is alpha is given 0 and beta is 4. Then we know that their addition means that sum of these roots is equals to 0 plus 4 is equals to how much? 4. Then product of the roots alpha into beta is equals to 0 into 4 is equals to also 0. Therefore, the formula for required quadratic equation is, the formula is x square minus addition of the roots, that is sum of the roots, means that alpha plus beta into x plus product of the roots, means that alpha into beta is equals to 0. Substitute the values here, x square minus sum of the root is 4 into x plus product of root is 0 is equals to 0 is our required quadratic equation. Therefore, write the answer in full sentence. Answer: the required quadratic equation is x square minus 4x plus 0 is equals to 0, or we also write here x square minus 4x is equals to 0. Then we take the next question, second. The roots are given 3 and minus 2. So its solution is, let this root is alpha is 3 and beta is equals to minus 10. Then we find the sum of the roots, means that addition of the roots, means that 3 plus minus 10 is equals to 3 plus minus 10. Subtraction becomes minus 7. Then product of the roots, alpha into beta, alpha is 3 into minus 10 is equals to minus 30. Student, then the formula for required quadratic equation is, the formula is x square minus sum of the roots, means that alpha plus beta into x plus product of the roots, means that alpha into beta is equals to 0. Then substitute the values here, means that x square minus sum of the root is minus 7x into x plus product of the root is minus 30 is equals to 0. Then minus plus, means that x square plus 7x, this plus minus 30 is equals to 0. Therefore, the answer in full sentence, answer: the required quadratic equation is x square plus 7x minus 30 is equals to 0. Okay, we take the next example. The next question is third, 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2. Its solution is, let alpha is equals to 1 upon 2 and beta is equals to minus 1 upon 2. Take its addition, means that sum of the roots is equals to 1 upon 2 plus minus 1 upon 2. Means 1 upon 2 plus minus 1 upon 2. We get 0. 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 is equals to 0. Then product of the roots is 1 upon 2 into minus 1 upon 2. Now at that time you have to multiply numerator by numerator. This is minus 1. Upon 2 2s are how much? 4. Then the formula for required quadratic equation is, formula is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots the values here. X square minus sum of the root is 0 into x plus product of the root is minus 1 upon 4 is equals to how much? 0. That is, we write here this equation is x square. This is 0. Then directly write here minus 1 upon 4 is equals to 0. Therefore, the answer in full sentence, the required quadratic equation is x square minus 1 upon 4 is equals to 0. Then we take the question 4. Here is two roots are given here. Its solution is, let alpha is equals to 2 minus root 5 and beta is equals to 2 plus root 5. Then take its sum. Mean that 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5. Student, look here, minus and this plus get cancel. This addition becomes how much? 4. Then product of the roots alpha into beta is equals to 2 minus root 5, another bracket 2 plus root 5. Means that here is a minus b, a plus b. Means that the identity a square means that 2 square minus b square, when it means root 5 square. 2 square is 4 minus root 5 is minus 5. Then the product is equals to minus 1. Then the formula for required quadratic equation is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equals to 0. Then substitute the values. Therefore, x square minus sum of the root is 4 into x plus product of the root is minus 1 is equals to 0. That is, x square minus 4x plus minus 1 is equals to 0. Answer in full sentence. The required quadratic equation is x square minus 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, we take question number 5. The question number 5 is, find the value of k if the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation, this equation is given x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equals to 0 is double their product. Mean that sum is double their product. Now here we need solution. The given equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equals to 0. That is, I have to write this x square minus 4kx plus, I have to take bracket for this. Then comparing with the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get the value of ABC such that a is equals to, when we compare it, a is equals to 1, then b is equals to, what is the value of b? Look carefully, this is minus 4k and c is equals to, so I have to take here bracket k plus 3. Then let the roots are here. Let alpha and beta be the roots of given quadratic equation. Then from given condition, the condition is that sum of the roots of quadratic equation, means that sum of the roots, means that alpha plus beta is equal to double their product, means that twice of its products. Suppose that this is our equation number first. Student, for this, first I have to find out their sum of the roots. We know that the formula sum of the roots is equals to minus b upon a. So here b is how much? Minus minus 4k upon the value of a is 1. Minus minus plus means that plus 4k. Suppose that this is equation number 7. Then we find out the product of the roots, means that alpha into beta. We know the formula is c upon u. Here is c is how much? K plus 3. Upon 1, there is no change, means that k plus 3. This is the product of the roots. Let this equation is third. Then student, from equation first, second and third. From equation first, second and third, we have substitute the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta into this equation first. We get that alpha plus beta is 4k. Therefore, I have to write here 4k is equals to. Then twice into alpha into beta means that twice into alpha into beta is k plus 3. Then 4k is equals to multiply these two, then 2k plus 6. These 2k transpose here, 2k minus 4k minus 2k is equals to how much? 6. Subtraction becomes twice k is equals to 6. Therefore, k is equals to 6 upon k is equals to how much? 3. Therefore, the answer in full sentence, answer. The value of k is 3. Okay, now we take next question. Okay, we see the important question, question number 6. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, y square minus twice y minus 7 is equal to 0, then find the values of alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. For the student, here is its solution. Here, alpha and beta are the roots of the equation. Alpha and beta are the roots of equation. Y square minus twice y minus 7 is equals to 0. Then comparing y square minus twice y minus 7 is equals to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. At that time, then a is equals to how much? 1, b is equals to minus 2 and c is equals to how much? Minus 7. Then student, we have to find out the value of a plus b, means that alpha plus beta and alpha into beta also. We can use this value to solve this equation. So for first I have to find out the value of alpha plus beta. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equals to, the formula for alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. The value of minus b is minus 2 upon a is how much? 1. Means that plus 2. Okay, suppose that this is equation number first. Then we find out the product alpha into beta is equals to c upon a. The value of c is minus 7 upon a is 1. Means that minus 7. Suppose that this is equation number second. Okay, then we take the first question. Is alpha square plus beta square. Now the value of this alpha square plus beta square we have to find by using the formula is equals to, the formula for alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta bracket square minus twice alpha into beta. Student, how to come this formula? First I have to show that how to this value and this value is correct. Now look carefully, this formula is, you have to learn it. Alpha square plus beta square is equals to alpha plus beta bracket square minus twice alpha into beta. How to come? Look carefully. I have taken alpha square plus beta square is equals to, here is alpha plus beta bracket square minus twice alpha beta. Now this is the identity a plus b bracket square. By using this identity, a square means that alpha square plus twice alpha into beta plus beta square minus twice alpha beta. Student, when we cancel these plus and minus, then we get the answer. Means that alpha square plus beta square means alpha square plus beta square. Means that both are same. So that this is our correct formula. Can you understand how to come this formula? You directly learn this alpha square plus beta square is equals to alpha plus beta bracket square minus twice alpha into beta. Then we substitute the values here. Is equals to alpha plus beta is 2 square minus twice into alpha into beta is minus 7. Here reason from equation first and second. Then we take here, therefore alpha square plus beta square is equals to, the square of this is 4, then minus minus plus 40, mean that the value of alpha square plus beta square is equals to how much? 18. This is our first question. Then we take the second one. Second one is alpha cube plus beta cube. We have to find out this value. Student, for this also we take one formula. Now this formula is alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to alpha plus beta bracket cube minus 3 alpha into beta and alpha plus into alpha plus beta. First I have to prove this, and then you have to always learn this formula. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b bracket cube minus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Now by using this, first I have to show that this and this side is same, means that this formula is correct for this. Here is a plus b bracket cube. The formula is that a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. By using this formula, I have to write here a cube, means that alpha cube plus 3 alpha square beta plus 3 alpha into beta square plus beta cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta as it is. Then from this I have to take common here. Alpha cube plus, here is, look carefully, 3 alpha beta we take common. Then in bracket here is remaining 1 alpha and here is 1 beta plus beta cube minus 3 alpha beta in bracket alpha plus beta. Observe carefully, this plus and this minus get cancel, means that alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to alpha cube plus beta. This is our formula. This is true. So that we learn here alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to alpha plus beta bracket cube minus 3 alpha beta into bracket alpha plus beta. Okay, we put the values from equation first and second. Then alpha plus beta is equals to how much? 2. Then 2 cube minus 3 into alpha into beta is minus 7. Then again alpha plus beta is equals to 2. Then 2 cube is 8 minus minus plus 3 7 are 21. 21 into 2 is 42. Then the addition becomes how much? 50. Means that alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to 50. The right answer in full sentence, answer is, first one is the value of alpha square plus beta square is equals to 18, and second one is alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to 50. Student, very very important example. Then we see the last question. Question number 7 is, find the value of k if the roots of the following quadratic equations are real and equal. The roots are real and equal, means that the value of the discriminant is 0, means that delta is 0. So we have to take this first question. 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equals to 0. Here comparing 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equals to 0 with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We get the value of a is 3, value of b is k, and value of c is equals to how much? 12. Okay student, now we have to find out the value of k if the roots are equal. Therefore for this also we have to find the value of delta. Therefore delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. The value of b square is k into k square minus 4 into 3 into how much? 12. Therefore delta is equals to k square minus mean that here is delta is 0, delta is k square minus 144, therefore k square minus 144 is equals to 0. This minus 144 transposed to this another side, we get that k square is equals to 144. Taking square root of both sides. Therefore, the value of k is equals to plus minus 12. Now look carefully, student. Here the value of k is plus minus 12. Okay. The answer. Here is we have to find out the value of k. The answer is the value of k is plus minus 12. Can you understand this? Okay. Then take the next question. Then the next sub question. Second, kx in bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0. Then its solution. Student, the given equation is kx in bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0. I have to multiply this kx to whole bracket. We get that kx into x is kx square. Then this one is minus twice kx plus 6 is equals to 0. Comparing with the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We get the value of abc. A is equals to, when we compare it, a is equals to k. Then b is equals to minus twice k. Look carefully, b is minus twice k, and c is equals to how much? 6. Now we have to find out the value of a, b, and c here. For finding the value of k, now we have to find out the nature of the roots here. Means that here given here real and equal roots are. Means that find out the value of the discriminant. Therefore, delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. Then b square is, b is minus twice k bracket square minus 4 into a is k into 6. Then delta is equals to, this square is 4k square. Minus 2 square is plus 4k square. Then minus, this is 24k. This is the value of delta. Now here in this equation, here the roots of equation, the roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. That is, delta is equals to how much? 0. The value of delta is 4k square minus 24k. Therefore, 4k square minus 24k is equals to 0. This is from equation first. Student, when we observe carefully, here we take common here 4k. Therefore, 4k in bracket. Here is 1k is remaining minus 4 6 is equals to how much? 0. Then, if the product of two term is 0, then we know that at least one of them must be 0, or k minus 6 is equals to 0. Means, therefore, k is equals to 0 upon 4, or k is equals to how much? 6. Therefore, k is equals to how much? 0, or k is equals to 6. But k is equals to 0 is unacceptable, because here is the value of, if you have to take the value of k as 0 into this equation, look here, if we take the 0, then this value becomes 0. Then this is not a quadratic equation, but the given example is quadratic equation, so that this value of k is 0 is unacceptable. So k is equal to 0 is unacceptable. Therefore, the equation, if you have to take the value of k is 0, then it is meaningless. That is unacceptable, because if k is equal to 0, then equation becomes meaningless. Therefore, the value of k is equals to how much? 6. Therefore, the answer in full sentence, the value of k is 6. Can you understand this practice set 2.5? Then we see the next question.